out.
Y'all spend the night. Y'all spend the night.
Bruh.
I'm tired of these damn dogs barking at
Girly. Hi.
Anyway, I don't like her.
We haven't seen you in so long.
She probably got fleas.
You just
No, she don't. My baby don't got
Hi, Tutu. You look so sweet. Oh, look at that kitty cat.
She let her
Yeah, she miss Mimi. You so sweet. Oh, she look mean. She big as fuck. She's just like the kitty.
I remember when we bought her ass for $5.
And we did buy her for $5. And
She was $5.
She is fat. Pearl is huge.
Yeah. $5.
Remember she used to be scratching me? That's why I like her behind. Hi, Pearl. So we out here, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna tell y'all why we out here because such and such over here, you know, he like to do this a lot.
Run this goddamn
He
mouth.
love that.
Run that goddamn throat. Always run your mouth.
Yeah.
Always run that throat.
Yeah.
Hey, where your Adam's apple at?
Yeah.
Hey, where your Adam's apple at?
Hey.
Hey.
So yeah, we out here, you know what I'm saying? Just get, I know y'all looking like, y'all probably looking at me like, why do you have that on, baby? Because somebody get my hair done. All right. Like, to me, baby, I'm not afraid. Like, if you not a bad bitch with it off, then you just not bad, and I'm bad.
They should put it on her. Boom.
Trinity, your wig was snatched.
Get your son! Look at that stuff! Damn!
Get our hair done tomorrow.
It's
so
okay,
don't do
baby,
that.
and you know I'm the baddest.
No, I'm the baddest.
You know I'm the baddest.
No, I'm the baddest.
You know I'm the baddest.
Y'all always know the younger sister is the baddest.
Girl, boo. Girl, please. Girl, please. Girl, please.
Shit.
Girl, you can't even go nowhere. It's definitely not the
Girl,
oldest. You
it's
can't even do nothing.
Baby, it's definitely the oldest. It's definitely
it's definitely the middle.
It's definitely.
No, it's definitely the youngest.
I'm definitely the young boss, older sister. You know what I'm saying? I keep. Okay, that got
Bald-headed one.
got the
Bald-headed two.
got the face,
Oh,
got the booty patootie. Like, I just want to say something positive to you. Me and Ty really wanted to get you this refrigerator because we just felt like you have done so much this year and you definitely deserved a new refrigerator.
I think you guys should hurry. They're close
And we love your.
to the house right now.
I think you should brush your damn teeth and comb your damn hair.
I
What?
already did come right here.
I can't believe I look like this. I can't even
Get you
believe.
some dreads.
I can't believe y'all got me on camera like looking like this.
You want dreads?
What's wrong with it?
I ain't never looked like this on camera.
What's wrong with it?
I can't believe y'all forcing me to be on here looking like
You
this.
get some dreads and you come back to the house. You think I'll have to cut them out?
She gonna be mad.
Oh my god.
Rachel, why you fake
Rachel.
crying?
Because I can't believe I'm on camera looking like
Daisha.
this. And he did tie like.
Daisha. Oh, Daisha, you're not listening to me. So Mike said he want to get dreads, and he said Mama said he can't get no dreads. So I said, if we gonna get you some dreads, and you come back to the house, what your mama gonna say? And he told him, she gonna be mad. So I said, let me go get you some dreads. Ew. Who you know somebody can do him some dreads?
You ugly as fuck. Like, I just want you to know. Like, you just making them ugly ass. Face, you seen that?
Who
We supposed to be clean out the refrigerator. I don't want to talk about no dreads, no head, nothing. I don't want to talk about nothing.
Dread between your legs. Head between your dreads. Oh,
I don't want to talk about nothing but cleaning out the refrigerator. That's all I want to talk about. Clean out the refrigerator. What are you doing? Ty!
Why you doing the refrigerator like that?
Cause we getting it up out of here.
Bruh, you just put. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel so bad.
1, 2, 3, 4. This refrigerator gotta go.
You don't gotta do it like that. So we about to clean out the refrigerator because at least we can do a good deed by cleaning it out. We been, ooh, baby.
We should just throw everything away.
My mama knows she wrong. She gonna be pissed off when she see this video.
We just gonna throw all the
But
away.
listen, we not gonna say that we recorded this part. This is not, okay, y'all.
This shit about to fall off at the bottom.
Look at the bottom. Oh my God.
That's not.
This refrigerator is just,
Might be a roast thing.
my mama deserve. She worked hard for a new refrigerator. She well, I'm talking about dishes from 1990. And all this food expired. So we're gonna say good. Get it the hell out of here. You know, everybody. You know what? Everybody. I want everybody to say something special that this refrigerator has contributed to your life. Let me be the first. When I was here in the house. Bring your talk, Jason. When I was here in the house, I love this refrigerator because it always produced very clean, very cold water. My food always fell out of it, so it wasn't the best for like holding up stuff. It was always falling. What the hell? What happened to all the That's what I'm saying. All right. Okay, your turn. This refrigerator has saved me from whoopings. It has gave me bruises from running around in the house. I've always liked the refrigerator because we used to keep them 99-cent cold popsicles in there, and I could always go and get them. Mother always cooked. You say you always cook.
I said mother always cooked.
Oh.
And that's pretty much about it. Other than that, get it the fuck out of here.
Do it again. Let me see. All right, you doing a lot.
I've always wanted to learn how to do one of those kicks.
Say your goodbyes to this piece of shit. It kept me. I like to.
Oh, but it did get us thick though. It did do that. I don't think.
All right.
It did.
What the fuck is these? Oh, I thought it was a. What the fuck is that? A dog?
I don't know, a damn cat. What is that? I don't know.
You.
Oh, that ain't me, babes.
What the hell?
It is. You really got the $1.99 on Black Cat.
Why is they still trying to save stuff from Waffle House?
What is it?
What is that? Is that dog food?
I don't know what the fuck.
Oh, now Dumb been in here since we was in the house. I remember that.
Todd, shut your ass up.
I swear to God. That's all he like.
That's all he like.
He don't like
You
none
gonna
of
keep that. Oh, look, now they ain't never ate this type of bread. They ain't never
That's
ate
old.
bunny bread.
I hate when people freeze their bread and try to thaw it out. That shit be soggy and wet.
Nasty. There's 3 fries in here.
The hell? You don't even eat that.
Yes, I do. Just look at.
The hell? I told you this been in here since we've been here. What's the expiration
Girl,
date?
2020. Girl, 2016.
I told you, bitch.
2016.
Oh, hell
Oh,
no.
my motherfucker.
What is them?
This is hard. Oh, my God.
That's from last Thanksgiving.
Here, bro.
Oh, I'm talking about those are ice packs. You dummy.
Bro, them dirty, bro. We'll get new ones.
Oh, he about to go cry.
Here, keep them. Them look good.
Yeah, put her in there.
Okay, then. Keep her. They don't even make daiquiris.
They was probably trying to get drunk, fake drunk one night.
You said they try to get. Here, Mike, put this in the trash. What is this? Trash.
Something we do not want to see.
Just take that out. Everything back. I don't just let my shit pile up and be dirty. I don't do that, period. So don't take everybody's shit. Thank you.
I'm saying that every everyday person that don't have time to do stuff like this.
I don't have time to do that either. But I do.
All right.
It's a part of being a homeowner. Unless I'm just overly excited about it. No, because even when we wasn't homeowners and we was in our condo, I still cleaned up the thing.
Oh, my refrigerator has shit in there from when I first moved in there.
What the?
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, no, it is.
Oh, that's an old ass.
Oh, your head ass, boy! Ew! Put it in the trash. Oh, wow. Here, Mike.
What is this?
I don't know. just clean
You
it
know what,
out
bro?
and put it back.
You can't throw everything away, bro. I'm gonna get my mama money to get her a whole new setup, bro. All this shit going to trash, bro.
Yeah,
Period.
my shirt.
Let's go. My mama finna get a whole new. She gonna throw it away.
You
She gonna be
go
mad.
to the
I'm like, baby,
You
baby,
go to
baby,
the
baby.
trash.
I got 300 for you, baby. Go get you something good, baby. I got 300 for you, baby. Yeah. Big,
You in the trash.
big mama. Yeah.
Well, pay 300 to get your damn hair done. 'Cause
Hey, yeah,
that's
baby,
fucked
baby,
up.
baby. Tomorrow I'm gonna be there. Okay.
You in the trash.
Baby, chill, dude.
Tomorrow.
Oh, you can't throw this.
So y'all just gonna leave piss on me.
What is that? Oh, so since it's your stuff, we can't throw it away.
This is mom's. This is for her business.
Oh.
Get that.
Oh, this shit's stink. Look, come get the piss up, Mimi. Come on, bro.
That ain't pee, bro. That's pickle juice.
that.
Gotta be.
See that? You wanna eat this too?
Oh, no, that, not that.
I know. So you mean to tell me all y'all ate was string beans last night?
We had lunch too. Well, actually,
House. I'd be so goddamn annoyed. I'd be like, shut up.
I
Ooh.
love this French onion. Guess what? You see this? You love that? Like,
All right, it's time to organize.
What the?
I thought I was making it to the back.
You ain't thought nothing.
I was, she don't know. She don't know. She don't know.
Put they fat nasty butts up. She gonna know what?
You washing dishes. When do you ever wash dishes? You never wash dishes.
You take it too damn long. Hurry up and just fucking throw the shit under the thing.
They come down. They come down.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Dirty. You ain't even get all the shopping. You nasty, bro. You nasty.
Oh my god, she just clogged the sink up.
And then your hair.
What is this? Where did this go? Oh shit, the chair about to fall. Why she still got the tag on the chair? Where the fuck to put this? Where did this go? How you gonna say it? Ain't want no dishes in there. Mimi, put the plates over there up. We decided to come over and clean up your house. Oh. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We was washing your dishes. Yeah, to...
no, I didn't. I just carried that stick.
I brought a lady in. I brought a lady in.
Videos, all that shit you talking.
Slap some hair on the top of his head.
That's your mama.
Dad, we found stuff in there. What food? What food? You talking about the stuff that was in there since 2016? That's what you talking about? Slap some hair on his head. Slap some damn hair on his goddamn bald ass head.
She been taking poison me?
Yes. Basically. Apparently. Allegedly. That food was as old as me.
Dude, I don't go in there. Oh God, I'm disappointed in you. I'm so fucking disappointed in you. Change your life. Please change your life. Change your life. Change your life.
Hello, mother. How was your day, mother?
Change your life, man. Did you see Daisha hair, honey? Did you see Daisha hair? Lord have mercy. We'll be right back.
You don't got a trash bag. You need to get a trash.
Big booty, big booty.
crybaby challenge. Do the crybaby challenge.
Oh, this the crybaby? Oh. Big booty, big booty. Big booty, big booty.
That dog like, oh hell no, something don't smell right.
So y'all made us go get some damn trash bag and you done took our stuff.
For real though. Now y'all sitting out here playing, you finna up me some money because we had just went to the grocery store.
Hey, Mama,
And they don't sit up there and threw the all that stuff, that milk and all that stuff away that we had just bought.
What?
And cheese. You threw the cheese and stuff away that I had for my macaroni and cheese.
What cheese and milk?
Don't come tell me know what the hell cheese. Where is the stuff that was in this refrigerator?
Mama, milk right here.
Y'all niggas empty out the whole damn
You can up me some cash, out me some money. Because I just had went and I got my receipt when I just had went to the grocery store.
pull it out, bien.
And you let them in.
Pull it out. No,
And you let them in who did.
I just came downstairs.
So y'all just come over here and throw stuff out people's
It's a
refrigerators.
prank. It's a prank.
It was trending on YouTube. Clean out your parents' refrigerator.
So we came and did the challenge. Yeah.
Surprise.
Hey, Christmas tomorrow. We just bought all our stuff.
This is not tomorrow.
Exactly, you lying.
We got stuff tomorrow.
What you cooking?
Oh well, I don't want no 3-day old food. I don't want no 3-day old food. I want my food to be fresh.
It didn't say clean out the deep freezer. It said clean out the refrigerator.
Yeah, that was the prank. Clean out the refrigerator, not clean out the deep
Clean out
freezer.
the deep freezer.
I don't know, but they don't throw all that cheese and stuff away now. And that
Put
was
that back.
brand new cheese.
What
They
cheese?
just buy it back. They can buy it back.
And my butter and all that. All that stuff gone. Now where's all that? It was a whole brand new thing of cheese.
Mom, but that's why we had y'all get trash bags because we used the last 4
Dang,
trash bags we
bro.
had and we put everything in the trash.
How the hell you gonna throw somebody cheese that ain't even been opened away?
Prank. We didn't know that they didn't throw it
It
away.
is a whole thing of butter.
It has a mom on it.
We didn't know.
We just bought that stuff.
We just went to the store and then you threw that whole thing of milk and stuff away.
It wasn't no milk.
Yeah, it was not no man. Now you lying. Now you know you lying. You lying. One tail.
Don't play. Cash out me some money.
That's not the challenge.
No, and no, you gonna come with the challenge. Oh, we know how to get the money. We know how to get the money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I know how to get the money. I ain't even worried about it.
That's stuff. That's
Ain't
stuff.
no
Yeah.
stuff.
No, that ain't
Nah.
You can't prove it. You can't prove it.
No, you took all this stuff out.
I ain't posting the video. You can't prove it.
Oh, we ain't posted them both.
Man, for real, though, like where our cheese and stuff at though, for real.
No,
Like,
damn.
we just bought it. We just listen. I promise y'all, we went to the store yesterday and we went and got the rest of our stuff today. So
Well, I'm saying what cheese?
it was cheese. It was butter, a big thing of butter. It was cheese,
I don't know nothing about that. Okay.
new ketchup.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the ketchup. The ketchup up there. I got the ketchup. Because that was new. And the musty. I don't remember. Mama, did you put the ketchup up there? And Mama didn't put it up there. He must have threw it away.
Ain't no damn ketchup on there.
Or Mike.
Mike.
I'm finna request. I'm finna hit request on all that thing. They finna
Ain't no damn ketchup on there.
Mike.
Mama, I told you to put the ketchup up there.
Oh my God. You can't ask this bald headed man.
Come out your damn money. Come out your damn money.
What about how much they got? $2. You did not have no meatballs in there. You did not have no meatballs.
It was meatballs in that
And you talking about in that, that's unsanitary. You're not supposed to be doing that. They said you cannot put that in there. You have to get Tupperware.
I ate that
What
yesterday.
the hell is you talking about? These meatballs that haven't been opened in a pack. What are you
No,
talking
no,
about? You
You
ain't gonna tell me what was in my refrigerator.
Yeah, I know it was in my
It
wasn't. I cleaned it out.
How y'all even come
So
over
why
here?
is you recording me? Get that camera out my face. I'm not playing with y'all. Yeah, man. Every time y'all come over here, y'all be up with some mess. I already knew it was something. That's all y'all do. Y'all come over here and act like you just doing something just to be doing it out of the goodness of your heart. We are. First of all, don't try us like that because we did what we had to do with our heart, and we was like, well,
We might as well. Yeah, we was like, well, we might as well just go ahead.
Go ahead, you trying to clean out. But you don't come throwing nobody food away. A food is not free.
Go to their house and throw theirs away.
My stuff is clean. Our food is not free, so don't come throwing
You don't get food stamps.
I didn't get a food stamp. Well, you finna up me some money. That's all I got. I'm gonna get a food stamp for her.
Then don't get paid to the first.
I ain't got no. I don't want that. You gonna give me cash money? I'm gonna go to the I'm gonna get what you need. You gonna pay me cash money?
No, see, she wants to get cash. She want to go.
She ain't even gonna cook.
No, I ain't gonna go get nothing. I know who's in my kitchen.
Hey, yo, what up, man? Y'all already know Mama Taylor's upstairs. She should be coming down in a few minutes. Y'all already know from all the footage that we already got, she is irate. She don't know what's going on. We got the refrigerator here. About to take the old refrigerator out, bring the new refrigerator in, as y'all can see. I've been catching hell. Taylor girls, y'all owe me. I've been catching hell all night with this woman. Come get your mama. Oh yeah, yeah, so what's clothes? Take that off. Trying to get these up so just slide through the door.
I'm gonna miss this fridge.
You gonna miss the fridge? Boy, cut it out.
I used to hide all my stuff in the back. You couldn't steal it. And
You hear that man?
well, I'm just saying, I used to hide all
That
my
man said he used to hide all his stuff in the back so we couldn't find it. Good, Gucci. Yeah. Man, cut it out. For real. Holy shit, bro. Cut it. Run right over the door for a mic. Cut it out, bro. Oh, hell no. I'll give me one of them.
As long as you got a partner, you good.
I gotta give you one of them.
I keep it back. So what's good? So just keep it back to the door. I mean, the back to the back.
Oh, hell no. For real, bro.
Alright, set it down. Alright, tighten up. Yeah, we right when you ready.
For real, bro.
You ready?
For what? I ain't never seen that before. First time in my life. Take that.
Well, but that don't still be moving. Come on, bro. It's a lot. We had the conversation now. Okay, what's this going to? Oh, shit. Hold on. Come on. I'm coming to you. Alright.
Y'all manager now.
That's it. Gun.
Oh, what all that noise is?
What you mean? Ain't no noise?
Huh?
Ain't no noise.
Yeah, a bunch of talking.
Yeah.
Ain't no noise. What noise?
I hear a bunch of screeching and what's all that?
Ain't nothing.
And what's wrong with Mike?
Let me tell you, right?
Why you wrestling and tussling with somebody?
fight.
Why is Mike to stay up here?
Huh?
Can't
Why
come
you keep
down.
coming out I can't come down? What
What you mean he telling you to stay up there? I ain't told you to stay up nowhere. I don't know why he told you to stay so up.
She can't come downstairs.
I was just changing some stuff out. You come downstairs. I ain't saying nothing about you coming downstairs.
No, Dad, stop playing.
What?
But yeah, you gotta be scared of her. She's big.
No, it ain't. You can take it right on back where it came from. Cause ain't no more dogs coming in here.
What you mean? Come look at the dog, man.
Now how you gonna go get a dog without talking to me about that?
This what the girls was trying to tell you last night, but you wasn't listening.
They were trying to tell me what?
They got your dog for Christmas.
They ain't get me no dog for Christmas.
Man,
I ain't asked her. I didn't put that on my list.
Well, hold up. Let me hold your eyes. I gotta show you your dog now.
I don't want no dog. I ain't no dog lover like that. So how they gonna
You ain't no dog, though. You got 2 damn dogs and you
We
ain't no
got
dog.
2 dogs, but I ain't never asked them for no dog for no Christmas. Now, y'all know y'all playing this.
Man, you and Mama Taylor, you gotta have a big, gigantic poodle.
Mom, it's a German Shepherd.
It's a poodle.
I don't know who gonna
We
be
gotta be on the
taking
same
care of
page,
it, 'cause
bro.
I
Alright,
don't
come
fool with
on,
animals
man.
like that. I don't
Leave,
fool with
man.
no animals
Just close
like
your eyes,
that.
Mom.
Guess it's your dog.
It's your dog.
No, it
Be
ain't.
careful now. Be careful. You fall.
She gonna bite you.
If you fall, I will catch you. Why you trying to hold
You
my hand?
smashing my lashes.
I don't care about smashing your lashes.
I'm not get scared of your dog now.
I don't want no dog. I guess it's y'all dog. Because I know they ain't bought me no dogs.
Keep walking. I'm gonna take you to see your dog now.
Quit talking about somebody got a dog. Because you know I'm not into no dog like that.
Why you ain't into no dog like that?
What? Them the dogs we already got.
Oh.
Hush! Hush! So this one they got me. It is beautiful. Nice. You talking about a dog?
You know what I need you to do? I need you to go on this camera and I need you to tell them Taylor Girls fans how sorry you is for cussing them out and all the stuff you did to them for coming over here trying to bring you a damn refrigerator. These girls trying to bring her a refrigerator and she gave them her butt to kiss last night.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Thank y'all for the beautiful refrigerator. They got me so upset last night because they came and just throw everything that was in my own refrigerator away. And I didn't know what was going on. I was devastated because I don't like people to just go into my things without me knowing it. I'm kind of sort of a hoarder. And if you're going to throw something away, I like to be the one to throw it away.
So they don't
Not to
throw
be
it away
caught off
all of
guard.
her Christmas
So I was
food.
so upset with them because they just, and then they thought it was funny, thought it was a joke. But this is one of the best Christmas presents by far. They did good. Now that was a good little challenge, prank, whatever. They did all that to get a refrigerator.
Mama, it was never a challenge. They was just trying to just come up with something. They wouldn't know.
Oh, I thought y'all said it was a challenge, a prank or something.
I'm just trying to figure out why did you cuss my daughters out like you did?
Because
Now y'all get to see who the real Mama Taylor is.
they ain't gonna
Y'all get to see who the real Mama Taylor is.
Whatever.
My daughters came to bring her a refrigerator last night. Man, hush before I put you on camera, bro.
If you caught up, if somebody you come home and you open your refrigerator, it's totally empty and you had just went to the grocery store, anybody would have reacted the way I did. Because food is not cheap these days. So,
we going on diets anyway. We don't need no food. Hey, man, listen.
but
if you wanted to be in the video, all you had to do was tell me you
that
wanted to
is
be in the video.
so nice. Beautiful. So, who told them that I want a refrigerator? You told.
I guess Santa Claus did. Better have
Yes,
Santa
it
Claus
is
some
a
cookies
Santa Claus,
tonight.
I guess.
Better have Santa Claus some cookies.
Daddy gonna end up eating them.
OMG. That's a big one too. That's bigger than the one I had, look like.
It look like it's gonna fit though.
You think? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, no room on this side. Brothers, I appreciate y'all, but y'all don't know what I've been through to keep this a secret till it got here.
So, I knew you was in on it. I said that last night because you was mighty calm for somebody to be threw all the food away out the refrigerator.
But Mama,
I kept y'all get out of here. He get to cussing them out. And he just sat there looking like he in, wasn't saying that.
I need you to give my daughters a second apology. Cause the way you did my daughters last night, y'all, this woman went in on my daughters so bad. Taylor girls, when y'all left, oh my Lord, she gave y'all 3rd degree. You hear me?
Well, anyway, like I said, they put us through. They put us through a lot.
My wife's
with all
chest
these
was
little
hurting.
Pranks. Yeah, they had my pressure up. I ain't gonna even lie, they had my pressure up so
man, over some food. Over some food.
Well, they know I love food. And
over some
anybody
food.
would react to the way I did. If you, like I said, you come home and everything empty out your refrigerator, and then they sit there laughing, talking about, oh, we help you out. How you helping me out and you just gonna throw everything that was away in my refrigerator that I had just bought? Anybody would be upset. So, all I can say is Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everybody. This is a beautiful Christmas gift. I would have never expected it. I really love it. Oh my. Oh my.
Come here, man. Go upstairs.
It's bigger than the one that I had. I got plenty of space now.
Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go.
But yeah, I was totally caught off guard. I ain't just got home.
You little fat boy, you.
What he do?
I'm trying to make him go upstairs. How you doing too much?
Oh God. They know, all I can say is they know how to surprise somebody. And at the same time, they know how to make somebody go from 0 to 100 and get folks' pressure all up.
Yeah,
now,
for real, man.
If
Her
I
pressure
would have
was
had, went into a panic attack or had a stroke or heart
over
attack.
some food.
And then they'd been crying now. But that is just some stuff
Over
when
some
your
food,
parents
honey.
are getting older, guys. It's some pranks you should not do.
Over some food.
Okay, that's like if I came to their house and went in their closet and just threw out everything away, and then they come
But you
home
gonna catch a
and
heart
I
attack
open
over
the
some
door,
food, huh?
You
For
be
real.
upset,
Over
huh?
some food.
Everybody react different to different things.
Y'all, seriously, my wife went from 0 to 100. When I tell you I ain't slept well, I'm about to go to sleep now. I know y'all can see them.
I mean, it was just pure empty. The refrigerator
Then I'm
was
still
empty,
sleeping.
the freezer, everything.
I ain't getting no sleep, no rest. Taylor girls, I need at least about 200 done for what y'all put me through. Last night was very horrific for me. Santa Claus didn't get no love. All love lost last night. Done. Y'all already know what it is, man.
Hi, daughter.
I'm doing.
Yeah, that's what I was calling about. Yeah, it is beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You had a whole attitude. You was negative.
I know.
Wanted to fight us. All type of stuff.
I know.
Yes, you did. I got to I'm gonna post it.
What? You ain't got to post that. You do not have to post that. You do not have to post that.
Wait, let me see.
Oh, you want me to get out the way? Yeah, it's beautiful. I got plenty of room.
Take out your fridge, girl.
Yeah, I got plenty of room.
Hey, hold on. Wait a second now. Yours look better than mine.
It's so nice. Thank you. I'm so sorry, Ty.
I'm trying to FaceTime you. You're not getting it?
Well, it's the way y'all did it.
Yesterday, last night, we went to the kids to her house. She didn't know we was there. We cleaned out her refrigerator. We threw all her food away because we wanted to put old food in the refrigerator. So imagine you going to your mom and throwing everything out her refrigerator. So her refrigerator
Yeah.
Where's she at? She didn't
She right
You can't
here.
do it on FaceTime?
She ain't answering. What she said?
It's not working.
What FaceTime me?
That's out.
Oh, we had Ty on our phone.
I said FaceTime me.
Because the refrigerator don't come. So
Tell her I'm finna hit it back on.
And so she was furious. She didn't do it.
She said she ain't with her. Well, anyway, daughter, the refrigerator is beautiful. I got you on speaker, you on camera. Look, son, now ain't nobody told you to go taking no plastic. Don't go to messing with my refrigerator. Now let me remove whatever need to be removed. You up there tearing off the plastic and doing stuff?
I didn't tear it.
Anyway, daughter,
What it on?
It is beautiful. Y'all did a great. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Y'all did a great job. I love my refrigerator. It is beautiful. It is plenty of space. It's bigger than the one that I had.
Can I get a public apology for all the men that you called me yesterday?
Yes, daughter, because I like to chop your head off. I just about to wring your neck. I was about to do you like somebody on the street.
Because you see what happened was it was supposed to come yesterday. We cleaned it out. Cleaned it out, and then it was supposed to come yesterday. So it didn't come, and they postponed it, so then we had to push it back. So then that's why we looked like that's why we looked so bad yesterday. But she would have been perfect yesterday.
Yeah, because I just, like I said,
She owed me an apology day.
Hi, you done said that about 3 times. Now, I done told you I'm sorry. Now, you ain't got to keep talking about that. Now, I'm
You hurt
talking
my
to them.
feelings.
Well, I'm sorry. I done told you that 3 times. Now, how many times you gonna say that? Daughter, I'm so sorry. But that was a good little prank, what y'all did, or challenge, or whatever you call it. Because y'all sure had got my pressure up high. It took a minute for it to come down. Yeah, it took a minute. I was hoping I didn't have to go to the emergency room. Yeah, it was. But, you know.
Yeah, your mama pressure was up all night.
Yeah, keep in mind I'm getting older. So, them little kind of pranks, I don't think you need to keep doing them. Now, what if I would have had to go to the emergency room last night?
Over some food, Dave.
You is not that old.
Oh.
You is not that old. You gonna have a heart attack over some food.
Over some food.
Well, I love food like my daughter loves food. So
I am not like that. They just throwing stuff away from me. I just let them. I go fuck with the smoke. I ain't gonna go do what you did. You try to beat me up.
Stop, man. Stop, man. Pull it out.
like I said, food ain't cheap these days. Food is expensive. So, yeah. So, when y'all were throwing away the food, in my head, you throwing away my money. So, that's the way I looked at it. You were throwing away my money. So, yes, anybody gonna be upset if they see their money thrown away. So, well, I'm sorry, daughter. If I hurt your feelings, I already told you that. Now, I love you, but I am so in love with my new refrigerator. I'm gonna cherish it and take care of it.
Okay.
All right, you gotta see.
Let me tell the camera something.
Not you. Okay, here, you on the camera. You on there. Go ahead.
All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in. If me and Ty did a good job, make sure y'all drop the hand claps down below. And Merry Christmas to everybody.
All right.
And we are